Just a few short blocks up from the water, here in the Norkirk neighborhood, this 5-bedroom home has 4 outdoor living spaces, expansive water views, and truly is in a prime location here in Kirkland. So 3 things that make Norkirk so special is really you're just a few blocks from the water. Locally, the schools are right here, elementary and middle school. And then the topper for me is the fact that you're less than a mile from downtown Kirkland. All the shops, the restaurants, really makes this home so special. So clocking in at just above 4,300 square feet, this 5-bedroom, 4-bath home lives large. The lower level has a rec room, guest suite, main level, 2 living rooms, dining room, office, and upstairs is the primary with 2 ancillary bedrooms. So here in the balcony off the primary, the thing I like about this is the fact that this view will never change. This home next door is a newer home already at max height, so the view of the water is going to stay like this forever. When the highs get low, when the lights burn out. So while this home has so many great features, my favorite feature is the outdoor living spaces. There's actually 5 different ones, and we're on the 2nd floor balcony right now, overlooking Lake Washington, overlooking the Olympic Mountains, and you can even see the Space Needle.